Lovelies, welcome back, Vlogmas 24, and in today's video we are making the most popular hot chocolate drink in Nigeria, which is Milo. Okay, so some people call it Milo, whatever. It's Milo, and yeah, it's Milo for me. So in today's video, like I said, we are making that, and yeah, all of my ingredients. In my bowl I have half a cup of cocoa powder, half a cup of icing sugar, which is basically blended sugar. If you don't have icing sugar, go ahead and use like granulated sugar. Just blend it until it is powder, like so. Okay, but because I have some icing sugar, I just use it. But you can do this with granulated sugar. Just make sure you blend it dry until very smooth. So I added 1 teaspoon of milk flavor because I wanted to have that milky smell, and of course full cream milk I added half a cup. So what I'm doing here is half cup of cocoa powder, half cup of powdered sugar, half cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of milk flavor, and a pinch of salt. I used the 1/4 teaspoon, which is a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. All you want to do is to add all of those mixture to a bowl, and yeah, because you want it to be like Milo, you want Milo, right? So what you are going to do next is to carry your dry blender and blend. Okay, as you can see, even my powdered sugar was having lumps, so it's a good reason to blend it. Of course, you need to blend this if you want the right consistency. Okay, so go ahead, after mixing all of that, just go ahead and blend this. I'm going to blend mine twice just so it comes out really smooth, and yeah, I'll be back to show you what it looks like. I hope you guys are doing well. If you're a winner member, or even if you are not, I'm wishing you the best of ever winning wisdom. Okay, we are winning, we are having the ever winning wisdom this year and beyond. So guys, thank you so much for stopping by, and yeah, enjoy the rest of the video. So after blending, this is what you will have, and as you can see, it is looking exactly like your Milo. Go ahead and just taste it, touch it and taste it. Guys, it's the same thing. You won't believe I had Milo, like the store-bought Milo. I had it beside me and I made this, and all I did was just taste both of them, and I couldn't tell the difference. Like, it's the same. You get what I mean? It's the same. So just go ahead and make this a substitute for when you don't have Milo at home. Just, it's nice and it's even cheaper. Milo is quite expensive now, so this is going to come in handy. You know those grandma that takes cocoa normally as their beverage, they can just relax. Okay, you know it's Christmas and grandkids are coming over, so grandma, don't worry, you have to improvise. Okay, there's no need running to the store to get Milo for grandkids. Go ahead and improvise using your cocoa powder and some milk with sugar, of course. So yeah, this is what it looks like, and I'm just going to do my normal thing. Like, I want to make hot chocolate and just see how it will come out. Okay, so I added a spoon of the Milo I made in the cup, and I added just a sachet of peak milk, which is my favorite milk, by the way. So I stirred this, and guys, look at it now. Look at it. Everything was so good. It tasted exactly like it will if it was a store-bought Milo, and I'm really happy about this. I just feel like it's okay to share with you guys because yeah, it's going to come in handy. Trust me, Milo is expensive, and having cocoa powder, which you are just going to use like a little quantity from it and still keep the rest of it, this is really nice. So I'm going to put it in a transparent cup so you can see the like the thickness or whatever, how it looks. Okay. look how it looks, as in this tastes so good. It tastes really nice, trust me. And I'm just going to take a sip, and yes, it tastes amazing. This was so good. I'm not going to lie to you, this one is good. I was really like not understanding the salt in this recipe, but yeah, I don't know, this is so good. This came out really nice. Go ahead and give it a try. This is a 5 ingredients recipe. You have cocoa powder, sugar, full cream milk, salt, and milk flavor, which is optional, of course. So guys, like I said, it's good. Give it a try and let me know what you think. Okay, but for me it's 10 over 10 minus nothing. So just give it a try and let me know on your own what you think about this. So to add to this, if you are looking to make like the 3-in-1 Milo, I would advise you go for half a cup of cocoa powder, 1 cup of full cream milk, and half cup plus quarter cup of sugar. That will give you the right one. Have a blessed day. Bye.